Hi there, I'm Julius Parada, and our first piece for tonight is called Armor of the Mystic. This is more challenging of our two pieces. We who represent the low brass section always joke about how it sounds like flute music. When we get to the second page, it really just sounds so powerful, and all the instrument sounds really come to life. You're also going to hear some epic drumming from Cyprus. The composer of Armor of the Mystic, Rob Griss, wanted students and listeners to imagine going on a journey to discover the mysteries of the universe. The mystic goes to faraway lands and strange places, and the armor represents the strength and power of everything they have learned. It feels to me like a cool way to represent our sound moving from 5th to 6th grade. We hope you enjoy it.